Cap 26 here, just disappears in hobbies, and how are you guys doing, and girls? Hope you're doing well. And open up this box here. And what do we have here? We have a wireless microphone. You could find these not only on Amazon, you can find them on Temu, you can find them on TikTok. I go through Amazon because I know who I'm dealing with, and if I have to return it or something like that, I can with no problem. So let's open this up. It's got a charger here. It's got clips, and this part goes into the phone, the receiver that goes into your phone. Let's take one of these out, and I don't know, I can't test it because I'm using the phone right now for doing this video, but that's the microphone. These slide on like this. That slides on like that, and you plug it in right here to charge it, and pull this off right there. And let's see, there's a button on the back here, so I have to test this on myself, on the phone itself. This is the charger, and there's a button on this side. There's well, that's not actually a button. That's just probably a light up when it's on. There's only one button on this side right here. See it right there? This little microphone cover. So I'm going to be using that from now on, hopefully, and get this thing charged up and see if it works. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. God bless. I'll put the link for this in the comments below. And thanks for watching.